Hello everyone, this is Mariam Siddiqui and today we are going to solve a question from the chapter The Moles. The following is the question. Calculate the mass of magnesium oxide that can be made by completely burning 6 grams of magnesium in oxygen in the following reaction. So what do you think the first step would be? Of course, we have to extract from the question that what is provided to us and what we need to calculate. In this case, we have to calculate the mass of magnesium oxide. And the data that is given to us is the magnesium mass, that is 6 grams. Next step is we have to, from the periodic table, we should know about what is the atomic or a molar mass of magnesium and oxygen. But do you have any idea that what would be the pathway of calculating the mass of magnesium oxide from the mass of magnesium? If you're guessing that it would be moles, so you're right. Now, what would be the steps to calculate it? Let's do this. We have to calculate the moles of magnesium that will be used in the reaction. And here you could see that there is a triangle from which we can see that how should we calculate the moles. So it will be mass divided by the molar mass. We know that the molar mass of magnesium is 24 and the mass that is given to us is 6 grams. So the moles we get is 0.25 moles. Now the next step is that we need to calculate the molar ratio in order to know that how much magnesium oxide we would be using with respect to the magnesium. So since the equation is already balanced, we know that 2 magnesium will give us 2 magnesium oxide. And therefore, we could conclude the molar ratio between them is 1:1. So if 0.25 mole of magnesium is there, that means how much moles we would have for magnesium oxide? It would be 0.25 since we have 1:1 molar ratio. And you could see that we get the moles of magnesium oxide. So there will be another step since we have to calculate the mass. And again, reverting back to calculate the mass. So in order to calculate the mass, what we need to do is multiply moles by the molar mass. So you get this formula again. It's a very easy way to remember the formula by this triangle. However, if you could see that this is mass is equals to moles into mR. But now we have to calculate the mR of magnesium oxide. So we know that to calculate the mR of magnesium oxide, we have magnesium molar mass as 24 and oxygen as 16. Adding them together, we will have 40. So we got the 40. So the last step that we are going to do is multiply the moles into mR. So it will be 0.25 into 40 and the answer which we will get is 10 grams. This is all and this is how you can solve the question that was given above. Thank you.